Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW X1 or X3 and you need to remove or replace spark plugs, check the gap, or you wonder guys what the torque specs are. So we'll share all these three things. We'll demonstrate on a 6-cylinder engine, so we'll demonstrate on N52 engine, but it could be helpful on N53, 4 and 5 engines as well. Now that engine is very popular engine. It could be found in many BMWs, including X1, X3, 3 Series, 5 Series BMW, even 1 Series BMW. All the two parts, or if you need to buy new spark plugs, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's show you guys, okay, what we have here now and how we're going to replace spark plugs. The whole front end of this car is missing, but that N52 engine guys you can find in so many cars and the procedure will be about the same. Now before we start guys, let me tell you something. Check this channel out guys. This is our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 71 million people and we have content that can save you thousands of dollars on future repairs. Now let's get to the problem. How do you remove and replace spark plugs? They're usually under your engine cover. In most cases guys, this engine cover can be bolted to the valve cover, or it may just have 4 rubber bushings and you just need to lift it up and it comes out. We have ours pre-loosened. Let us show you where the rubber bushings are located. Okay, right there, and they're attached to the valve cover over here. Perfect. Now without being removed, we can show you where actually the spark plugs are located now. So you come right here guys, you have on the very front of your engine, you'll start the part facing the radiator. Usually you have cylinder number 1, that's ignition coil on cylinder number 1, 2, 3, then you have 4, 5, 6. We'll demonstrate how to replace spark plug on one cylinder. It's exactly the same for all 6 of them guys. So go ahead, open the ignition coil cap and start pulling the wire while you're opening the cap. That way, okay, you can make sure that it's going to come out, because sometimes that wire is stuck in there and you don't want to break your cap. Pull the ignition coil out. Now if you guys have engine oil on the inside in your spark plug well, it means that you have a bad valve cover gasket, and we'll have a video that will explain how to actually replace that one. 5/8 socket, and we're going to remove the spark plug. Now we actually replaced ours not too long ago and we want to check our gap, but removing to check the gap or replacing them, it's practically guys the same procedure for all of them. So okay, spark plug is coming out. This is the two that we're using, the gauge meter for the gap. We have different thicknesses. According to the manual for the N52 engine guys, it should be 0.043 inches or 11 millimeters of gap. Now we use the metric system, 11 millimeters, so ours right on the spot guys, right on the spot. Yep, just barely a little bit small. It's about 105, but that's great. So how you guys install it now? It's very important to use the correct torque, otherwise what can happen guys, if you over torque your spark plug, as a result you can mess up your cylinder head. Some people use anti-seize spark plug compound on those, and if you want some, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Install it by hand, get it tight until it stops going, then get your torque wrench, set it at 23 Newton meters guys. Now that's what the manual says for our engine, plus minus 3 guys, Newton meters. So we can go, according to what people say, between 20 and 26 Newton meters. I go at 23. This is a click type wrench. Once you reach the torque, it will click and stop immediately. Listen now. Right there guys, you can see this is it. So next you need to install your ignition coil, get it on, push, get on top of the spark plug, start pushing the wire, at the same time start closing the cap, and you need to install your cover. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.